Now, if you're a mobile content creator, if you're a designer, if you're a social media manager, if you're even a business owner, this particular video is useful for you, because one of the problem or challenges you might be facing as a business owner is how to be consistent in uploading your content, and how to avoid creativity block. Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. It's your girl Moreni Keji, and on my channel we'll talk about marketing, motivations, and a little bit of lifestyle. To my OGs in the house, I want to say thank you for coming once again to watch this video. I really appreciate the love and the support you guys show me from time to time. And if you're new to my channel, hi, hello, welcome, take a seat, click the subscribe button and enjoy what we do on this channel. Now, today's video might be a bit lengthy because it's going to be a tutorial session. Remember, in my last video I talked about how we can merge ChatGPT and Canva together, and we're going to be running a tutorial session through on how we can do that. Okay, welcome guys to today's tutorial, and here we're going to be learning how to make multiple designs with ChatGPT and Canva with little, or when you don't even have any experience in designing, you can use this to get right designs, and you can also use it to create your content. You can use it to batch your content and then be productive. Okay, so if you've been lazing around because you're not consistent, this is the right tutorial you need. Okay, it can help you to batch your content and to create surplus content for days. Okay, so just like I've been saying, I'm sure you guys have already signed up to ChatGPT, and that's where we are now. Okay, so here is what it's going to look like. Now let's say I want to, as a social media manager, I want to talk about social media tips for business owner on Instagram. Okay, I'm going to just ask ChatGPT for the tips. Okay, so while ChatGPT is generating all of this response, we're going to try to open up our Canva where we're going to be designing everything. Okay, I hope you can see everything here. This document here is going to be very important for you if you're not using something like a Google Documents or Google Spreadsheet. Okay, occasionally you can use your Google Spreadsheet to paste your content so you can edit it before you start designing. But if you're not familiar with all of that, you can just use the Google Docs. Okay, so now we've opened our Canva site. If you're not logged into Canva as a business owner, I don't know what you're doing. It's a free app, though there's a paid version, but it's a free app that you can use as in you can get best designs from it even while you're using the free version. Okay, so now ChatGPT is done giving us enough content. Now we have like nine content to post, or let's say if you want to create like 40 designs, you could ask 40 social media tips, and it's going to give you up to 40 search results. Okay, so all we're just going to do here is that we're going to copy this. Okay, we're going to copy this, Ctrl+C. We're going to copy this, and then we go to Canva and we go to the docs. Okay, create a beautiful doc here. Okay, so now this is readable. Okay, so we have nine contents from ChatGPT, which means that we can use every of this. That is, we can have maybe like 9 picture designs in under like 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, and just like I always say, guys, do not copy everything on ChatGPT word for word. You might want to do a little bit tweaking by deleting some words, replacing them. Okay, based on our content idea from ChatGPT, let's see
we're going to use something as simple as this. Okay, I think this is a video template, or this one, but this is a pro version. You can choose to use something simpler. Okay, let's just search for growth strategy templates that we have here. Okay. Let's look for something that is so simple and not so complicated. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so this is what we are doing here is we're going to be clicking on these apps in order to bulk create. Okay, so when we click on apps, we see different options like photos, audios, videos, background, charts, logos, and bulk create. Remember, we're trying to create lots of design in few minutes. Okay, so we're going to click on bulk create. And now it's going to bring you to a particular page like this. Now remember, I told you at the beginning of this training that you could use a Google spreadsheet, and if that's what you've decided to use to copy your content from ChatGPT, you could just download it or export it from your Google spreadsheet to a CSV file. Okay, so if you have that, you can upload a CSV file, but since we copied it on Google Docs, we're going to be entering the data manually. Okay, so you click on enter data manually. Then I click on done. What we are going to do is, once we click on the elements where we want our data that we copied from ChatGPT, the elements where we want our data to be in the graphics, we right click on it, and then we click on these three dots here which says connect data. Okay, and remember, we use the name. That's where our data is in. It's not in the text, it's not in the email, rather it's in the name. So we click on that, then we click on continue. Okay, and voila, you can generate 9 pages at a go. Now even if you have 40 content, you can generate 40 content right as you go. Here we have it. All you want to do is, you could decide to just tweak the old design by typing. Let's say this one is you could do something like just to give it a little touch. Okay, and you could go ahead to do this just to add your own little touch to every of your design. This is page 6. You can just delete these ones, number it properly, and voila, you're done designing. Okay, without even having any experience. If you have a brand color, you can decide to add your brand colors to it, to change the colors of the design, and to tweak everything just to fit into your brand. Okay, so when you have this, all you need to do is to download these designs, and if you're going to be posting them as a carousel, is to schedule them as a carousel on your favorite scheduling apps, or if you're going to be posting it daily or maybe per hour. You can schedule them on your favorite scheduling app, and in that way you've been able to achieve so much in just a few seconds using ChatGPT, few minutes rather, using ChatGPT and Canva. Okay, I really hope you love this video, and that's the end of our tutorial.
So I believe that you've learned everything you need to learn about ChatGPT and how to use it with Canva, and I believe I'm going to see you in my next video. Okay, if you love this video, please put a thumbs up and also tell a friend to subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.